help your business keep up with expanding operations and increasing supply chain complexity, you need a printer that offers performance, reliability, and security without compromising. The ZT231 is an industrial printer that's designed to keep up with your growing demands with no extra complications or costs. It offers fast print speeds and crisp outputs, plus a range of connectivity options for greater flexibility. The ZT231 works with the Print DNA suite of tools, so it's easy to set up and manage, and seamlessly integrates with your entire fleet of devices. Plus, it's as secure as it is functional, offering unparalleled security and protection with Print Secure, a part of Print DNA. It packs all this functionality into a small footprint and helps you save time with color code cues and simple media loading and changes. And it features an innovative architecture that evolves alongside your business thanks to field installable upgrades in the Print DNA suite. With the ZT231, you'll get smart features for a small investment, and that leads to a big payoff.